I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Tuesday. Welcome back, and these are your announcements. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during school on Friday, January 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come to the first floor office and pick up a permission slip. The first 100 students will be allowed to attend. The college fair will be held at Region 11 and will include many recruiters from community college, universities, and the military. Students must be passing all classes and not have attendance or discipline issues. Baseball parent meeting is going to be tonight in the cafeteria at 6:30. This is an important announcement straight from Coach Park. Any girl wishing to run, jump, or throw for the DHS women's track and field team, please stop by A225 and let Coach Park know. Even if you are playing basketball, soccer, or swimming, right now Coach needs your sizes. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Okay, cool. That's my brother right there. You did. Dexter. Ooh. Wait. Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move.
Action.
Girls basketball here against Sanger. JV and freshmen play at 5. Varsity plays at 6:30. And then we have soccer against Springtown here. Girls play at 5. Boys play at 7. And then baseball booster club meeting at 6. 7:30. In the cafeteria.
No, I already said it. Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, failure and defeat are temporary. Giving up is what makes it permanent. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Go basketball. Go soccer. Go us. Have a great day.
Now for the question of the week.
Action.
Question of the week is, what was your favorite Christmas present? Like, what you get that you liked and stuff.
Have a great day.